If you're a bicycle mechanic, the HAZET 49715 is a total game changer for your shop right now. It is designed specifically for readjusting brake pistons without causing any damage at all to them. The parallel movement of the gripping jaws ensures a perfectly even reset every single time you use it. No more fumbling with flathead screwdrivers that might scratch your expensive bike rotors during a repair. Its ergonomic design gives you the leverage you need with absolutely minimal physical effort from your hands. This is high-end German engineering at its finest, built to last a lifetime of very hard use, truly an essential for anyone serious about professional-grade, high-end bike maintenance and complex repairs. If you want to stop damaging delicate components, this is the precision tool for your daily kit. These FELO T-handles aren't your standard handles. They're built for maximum torque transfer on the toughest jobs. The innovative side drive allows you to apply extra pressure when things get really stuck in place. You get a comfortable, secure grip that reduces hand fatigue during long work sessions today. The dual-component handle ensures you never lose your grip on the specific task at hand. It's versatile enough for professional workshops or your home garage workbench setup right now. FELO has really nailed the balance between user comfort and raw turning power with this. If you need to break loose stubborn bolts, this is definitely going to be your new best friend. It provides the mechanical advantage you need to tackle any stubborn fastener in your way. Dealing with stuck dowel pins is a nightmare until you see this clever KUKKO engineering solution. The 223-2 uses a sliding hammer system to provide a focused, powerful impact force for you. It's specifically engineered to extract internal threads without damaging any surrounding components at all. The precision fit ensures the puller won't slip even under heavy pulling force or vibration. You simply thread it in, slide the hammer, and the pin pops right out effortlessly. It turns a 30-minute struggle into a 30-second minor task in the shop for you. Professional industrial quality means it can handle the toughest shop environments on a daily basis. Stop fighting your hardware and start using the right tool for the job with this puller. Every technician or everyday carry enthusiast needs the Klein Tools Mini Ratchet set today. This ultra-compact kit is designed for those impossibly tight and narrow workspaces you find. The 72-tooth ratchet provides a slim profile with a very small swing arc for precision. It comes with a variety of bits, making it a universal repair solution for any bag. The high-strength steel construction means it won't fail when you apply heavy turning pressure. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but strong enough for real professional work. Whether you're working on electronics or under a dashboard, it is absolutely perfect for you. Don't let its size fool you. This is a heavy-duty professional-grade instrument you can trust. When it comes to job site cleanup, the OLFA BTC1DX scraper is completely unmatched today. The adjustable head allows you to find the perfect angle for any surface you encounter. It's built for heavy-duty scraping of glass, walls, or even stubborn floor tiles with ease. The blade is incredibly sharp and stays secure under extreme scraping pressure in the field. Swapping out the blades is safe and easy thanks to the specialized locking mechanism included. Its handle is shaped to give you a solid, non-slip grip every time you use it. From construction sites to home renovations, it handles the grime with total professional ease. This is a versatile multi-tool that belongs in every professional painter's kit for every job. The IRWIN Quick Lift is like having an extra pair of strong hands on the job site. It provides up to 330 pounds of lifting capacity with precise manual control for one person. You can lift, press, or tighten with just a simple squeeze of the ergonomic handle. The fine-tuned lowering tab allows for millimetric adjustments without any sudden drops or slips. It's ideal for installing doors, windows, or heavy cabinetry by yourself in the field today. The base is designed for extreme stability so it won't tip under a heavy load easily. Save your back and speed up your workflow with this clever mechanical lift for pros. It's a professional-grade solution for the solo builder or the dedicated DIYer working alone. For electricians, the KNIPEX Evo Strip is the ultimate insulation stripper for your tool bag. It features a self-adjusting mechanism that handles wires from 0.03 to 10 mm very easily. You get a clean cut every time without damaging the inner copper conductors at all. The length stop is fully adjustable for consistent results across multiple wires in a row. Its handle is designed for comfort, making high-volume work much easier on your hands today. The blade is replaceable, ensuring this tool stays in your bag for many years to come. It's lightweight yet incredibly robust, living up to the legendary KNIPEX name and quality. Streamline your wiring tasks and get professional results with almost zero effort using this tool. Next, Let's check out the Tajima Varix EZ Cable Stripper for professional electrical work. This tool is built for speed and precision when stripping flat cables in the field. The depth adjustment is intuitive, preventing any nicks to the inner wire insulation at all. It features a sleek, ergonomic body that fits naturally in your palm for every cut. The cutting edge is exceptionally sharp, slicing through insulation like warm butter every single time. It's designed to handle the rigors of daily use on a busy construction site today. Professionals love it for the consistent quality it delivers on every single job they tackle. Upgrade your electrical kit with a tool that values your time and your overall accuracy. HVAC professionals know that Malco sets the standard for ductboard tools in the industry. These specialized cutters create perfect V-grooves and straight cuts every single time you cut. They're engineered to leave a clean edge for better sealing and insulation on every job. The blades are easily adjustable to match the thickness of the duct board you use. Ergonomic handles allow for long days of cutting without straining your wrist or your hand. Durable construction means they can take a beating in the back of a van daily. It's all about efficiency and making sure your HVAC installs look pristine and professional today. If you're working with fiberglass ductboard, these are a non-negotiable addition to your kit. When you need heavy-duty impact power, look at the HAZET 1000 SG set for your shop. This 304 impact socket set is designed to handle the highest torque levels possible today. The sockets feature a specialized hinge for better access in very tight or awkward spots. They are made from high-quality chrome vanadium for extreme industrial durability and long life. The set is organized in a rugged case that keeps everything in place while traveling. It's built for the professional mechanic who works on trucks or heavy machinery daily now. You get the reliability of HAZET with the strength of a true impact tool set. This set is an investment in your productivity and long-term shop capability and success. The FELO Ergonic K handle is the peak of modern screwdriver technology for users today. Its unique gel-filled handle adapts to your hand for maximum working comfort and grip. The ratcheting mechanism is smooth, fast, and built to handle very high torque loads easily. You get a seamless transition between driving and resetting your grip quickly and efficiently. It includes a bit storage system so your essentials are always ready when you are. The K-handle design provides extra leverage for those incredibly stubborn screws you often find. It's the kind of tool that makes you look forward to the next task today. Once you feel the ergonic grip, you'll never go back to standard handles ever again. Protect your delicate finishes with the Channel Lock soft jaw pliers in your professional kit. These are perfect for chrome fixtures, jewelry, or any polished metal surface you encounter. The non-marring plastic jaws provide a firm grip without leaving any marks or scratches. They feature the classic Channel Lock reliability with a gentle, protective touch for your work. The Permalock fastener eliminates nut and bolt failure during heavy daily use in shops. You get multiple adjustment positions for versatility across many different sizes and shapes today. These are a must-have for plumbers who want to avoid scratching expensive bathroom faucets. Professional-grade performance with the protection your quality work deserves on every single job. When space is tight, the FECOM ATCL.S stubby is your best bet for any job. This compact ratcheting bit holder fits into the smallest of engine gaps or cabinets. The high-precision ratchet mechanism provides excellent control and driving speed for the user today. It features an ergonomic grip that allows for surprisingly high torque output from the hand. Changing bits is quick and easy, keeping your workflow moving fast throughout the busy day. It's built to the legendary standards of FECOM for heavy industrial use and durability. Keep one in your glove box or tool belt for those emergency repairs anywhere. Small in size but massive in utility, it's a technician's favorite tool for tight spots. For precision metalwork, the Duratech Straight Jaw Bender is absolutely key for your shop. It's designed to provide clean, straight bends in light-gauge sheet metal very quickly today. The wide jaws distribute pressure evenly to prevent any metal warping or unwanted surface marks. Ergonomic handles are cushioned to provide comfort during repetitive bending tasks on the job. It's the perfect tool for HVACs, roofing, or custom metal fabrication shops working now. Built from high-carbon steel, it's designed to withstand daily shop use for many years. The locking mechanism ensures your bends are consistent every single time you use it. Achieve professional results in your shop with this dependable and sturdy metal bender today. The Levtech Xtreme 8 is the toughest torpedo level on the market for electricians. It's specifically designed for conduit bending with its unique rare earth magnets for extra grip. The V-groove base ensures it stays locked onto your pipe during complex bends today. It features oversized vials that are easy to read even in low-light environments. The aircraft-grade aluminum body can survive drops from high ladders very easily without breaking. It's calibrated for precision, ensuring your runs are always perfectly level and looking great. Electricians will find this level indispensable for high-quality conduit work on every project site. It's a rugged, high-performance tool that won't let you down when accuracy really matters. Roofing professionals swear by the Malco Drip Edge folding tools for their daily work. They make quick work of creating perfect edges on metal roofing panels every time. The design allows for consistent, uniform folds along the entire edge length of the metal. They are lightweight and easy to use even when you're up high on a roof. High-quality construction ensures they won't flex under heavy folding pressure during the install process. These tools help you achieve a leak-proof and aesthetically pleasing finish for your clients. Speed up your installation process while maintaining a very high standard of craftsmanship today. Malco continues to innovate for the trades with this essential folding kit for roofing pros. Gardening just got a whole lot easier with the Dirt Snatcher tool in your shed. This bulb planter removes a perfect plug of soil with every single push today. It's designed to reduce back strain by allowing you to work standing up comfortably. The simple release mechanism drops the soil back exactly where it belongs every time. It's built with durable materials that can handle even the toughest clay or soil. Plant hundreds of bulbs in a fraction of the time it usually takes you. It's the perfect gift for the hobbyist gardener or a professional landscaper working today. Make your garden bloom effortlessly with this clever and highly effective planting tool now. When you need to cut through wire or bolts, grab these Crescent compact cutters today. These compact bolt cutters offer immense power in a very small package for you. The induction-hardened blades stay sharp even after cutting through tough steel many times over. Its ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip and maximum cutting leverage for the user. They are small enough to fit in a tool bag, but punch heavy during your shift. Use them for fencing, construction, or even quick repairs around the house very easily. Crescent has built a reputation for toughness, and these cutters prove why they lead. Reliability meets portability in this must-have cutting tool for every kit you own today. Stripped bolts are no longer a problem with the FELO OGV grip in your toolbox. This extractor features a unique profile that bites into rounded fasteners very aggressively today. The more torque you apply, the harder the tool grips the fastener head naturally. It's built for the most extreme industrial and automotive applications you can find now. High-strength steel ensures the extractor itself won't fail under a heavy load or pressure. It saves you from the frustration of drilling out broken or stuck hardware daily. This is the ultimate get-out-of-jail-free card for professional mechanics everywhere. Add this to your toolbox, and never fear a rounded bolt head again today. Finally, the KNIPEX DPT50 is the smartest way to cut plastic pipes for plumbing. This tool cuts and chamfers pipes in a single, smooth operation for the user. It's designed for high temperature and standard drainage pipes up to 50 mm in size today. The self-adjusting blade ensures a perfect cut regardless of the pipe's wall thickness now. You get a clean, burr-free edge that is ready for assembly immediately after cutting. It's incredibly fast and much safer than using a traditional hacksaw on the job. Its compact design makes it easy to use in tight plumbing spaces or cabinets. Finish your plumbing installs with the precision and speed of KNIPEX engineering today. That wraps up our look at these 20 incredible hand tools. Check the links in the description to grab these for your kit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Top Tech Tools for more reviews of the latest gear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.